Steve, it was end-to-end at times, but in terms of performance, what did you make of your team?
Look, the effort was there. The effort was there, but we just looked a little bit jaded. It's been a long week, and yeah, when I compare today to the previous two games, yeah, we were a bit flat. But I can't fault the players in terms of effort. They give everything, but yeah, just couldn't nick that goal.
0-0, fair result, do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think it was not much quality in the game at times. I thought we started off really well. Barri were always dangerous on the sort of our transition when we're losing the ball. And I think as 0-0, we've had a half chances, they've had a couple of half chances where they could have scored as well. And then right at the end, the referees made the right decision, the penalty call. So I'm happy with the clean sheet. The lads were brilliant, defended really well, showed some good purpose. We pulled some building blocks into the sort of framework this week, obviously because of what happened in the last two games with 8 goals in 2 games, which is disappointing. So we just put small frameworks in. If we could minimise the mistakes in the games and then just keep making our framework better each week. So that's what we put in. We've had it today, and we've got a tough game next week now, so we'll see if the proof's in the pudding.
Sometimes it goes for you, sometimes it doesn't. And today, like we had good opportunities to nick it, which we didn't take. But also Fflint had not so much chances, but sort of good opportunities, got in good areas, but in terms of the final execution wasn't of the best quality. It was just a typical 0-0.
Barri, wastad yn anodd dod lawr i'r de, ond sydd oedd y mas na heddi?
Pwynt da yn y diwedd. O'n i'n gwybod bod ni angen dechrau pigo pwyntiau fyny a un heddiw. Probably result fair, dweud y gwir.